Most of the people come to us when the check bounce case is filed to them or they received a notice for the check bounce. They tell us that the check was lost or the check was stolen and they were not aware of it. So we have to tell them that this is not a good defense which you can take in the court if a check bounce case is filed on them. A separate check bounce case can be filed for each and every check. And usually what we've seen in the court, like if multiple checks were stolen or lost, the person who got your checks will distribute it among his friends, and each of them will file a separate check bounce case on you, and this way multiple check bounce cases will be filed against you for those checks, and it will be very difficult to defend them in the court for you. Many people will just make online stop check payment request and they will think that this is enough and their money is safe, but that is not the case. A check bounce case can still be filed on you, and then you have to go to the court to defend it. You have to secure your bail first, and then the case will go on and decided on merits, and then you have to give evidences like how the check was lost or stolen, and then you have to prove it. And in the meanwhile, for the whole case you will get a lot of stress and a time will be lost. So if you're not able to trace your check, if you forgot it somewhere or you lost the check or check was stolen, the correct thing you have to do is you have to go to the bank and make a return request for stop check payment, mention the reason, and also you have to take the acknowledgement, because this acknowledgement you have to submit in the court. Also, if possible, and it is very good that if you can go to the police station and also make a written complaint of it, you can file an NCR that your check was lost or your check was stolen, whatever the reason is. That also will be a very good evidence. Just remember that this is not like you will be completely safe, because if you have given the check to someone or somebody got your check and he filled it like it was a blank signed check, then they can still send you the notice for the check bounce, or they can even file the criminal case also under section 138 of NI Act, and you have to defend it. But as I said, if you have done the above steps, then you will be safe and you can come out of the case with the dignity and without losing the money in the end.